Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking pizza post for your restaurant. So if you are making pizza for your restaurant and want to create a pizza post on your own, then this video is for you. Creating a post in Canva is really easy, and the best part is that you don't have to create your post from scratch or from a blank page. You can just modify pre-made templates designed by professional and creative designers. Just go to the search bar in Canva and type for a pizza Instagram post. We are creating a post for Instagram, which is why we have added Instagram post. If you want to create a Facebook post, then you need to search for Facebook post. These are the templates that are available to me. Go to the See All option to explore all the available templates. You can see how professional they look, and you can pick whichever one you like from these available templates. Some are paid and some are free, but you can find hundreds of options. For example, this one is free. I will go with this one because it looks good. Just click on the template you like and click on Customize this template. After that, you will be able to customize it however you like. As you can see, I can modify anything I want. I can adjust anything I like. Starting with the text, if you want to customize it, just double-click on it. You can add your own text or remove any text you like. For more features and tools, go to the Font options. These are the available features for text customization. You can choose any font. This option is for resizing, and this one is for changing colors. This one is for making the text bold or italic. This one is for making the text italic, and this one is for underlining or strike through. You can try them out if you like. Now, regarding the background, if you want to change it, you first need to delete the current background element. You just need to delete this one to reveal the background. Click on the background like this and go to the color options here. You can change the color to any color you like. So that was the background. Now let's move on to the image. If you want to replace this image with your own food or pizza image, go to Uploads and upload an image of a pizza. The pizza image shouldn't have a background. You should remove the image background using another website. For example, I will upload or pick an image from Pinterest, just to show you. Maybe I'll go with this one. I'll just click on it and paste it here. Now you can see that an image with a background does not replace the existing image properly. What you need to do is upload an image of your pizza with the background already removed, or a pizza image with a transparent background. I'll just do this and replace the image. As you can see, the background has not been removed properly. To remove it, I need to upload a pizza image with a transparent background, or you need a Pro subscription to use the background remover. I'll just click on it. Now you can see that the background has been removed. If you want to edit this image, there are more image features available. You can apply shadows like this, and there are more features you can try. This will make your template look more engaging and professional. In this same way, you can modify anything you like. You can add your own image. You can add your own text. You can add your own elements. To add elements, go to the search bar under Elements and type any keyword, such as pizza. You can add graphics. You can add photos from Canva if you don't have your own images. You can also add your own details, logo, brand colors, and everything else. When you are satisfied with the customization, rename your file, go to Share, select Download, and download it as a PNG or in any other available format. Download it, and your pizza post is ready to upload to your social media. Thank you for watching.